Okay everyone, so let's begin by meeting in standing at the back of our mats today. Tall through the crown of the head, soles of the feet pressing into the floor, and just finding a few little shoulder rolls here. So bringing the shoulders nice and close towards the ears and then sending them back and down. Just a couple of times here. Good, and then inhale to lift the hands all the way up to the sky. And then as we exhale, just bring the hands down through heart center. Inhale as we reach the hands up. And this time, deep exhale to fold forwards. Just let the arms swing back. Inhale as we lift up. Exhale, find that swing. Inhale up, exhale down. Just doing a few swings here with the arms, releasing any tension from the back. And then the next time we come down, we can reach to the floor, find a little sway side to side. Connecting to the breath here, releasing any tension away from your back. Good, last breath here. And on your next inhale, find a halfway lift, straightening the legs, looking forwards. As we exhale, we're going to plant the hands to the floor and we're going to walk out to our high plank, bringing the wrists right underneath the shoulders. Let's bring one knee in towards the chest as we engage the core round the back. Let's alternate sides here, walking the right knee in, the left knee in. Let's go for about 10 here. Keep pressing the hands into the floor, keep the core engaged. And then eventually walk the hands back towards the feet, come back into standing. Lift the fingertips up to the sky. And let's find some heel lifts here. So bringing those heels up off the floor onto the tippy toes and then dropping back down. We'll take about 10 here. Find your last one here. And then drop the hands to the floor and walk it back into your high plank. Back to those knee lifts. So bring that knee nice and close in towards the chest and step it back. Another 10 on this side. Every exhale to pull that knee close to the chest. Good, take your last one here. And then go ahead and walk the hands back towards the feet, coming up to standing. Lift the fingertips to the sky. Find those heel lifts, coming right up onto the balls of the feet here. Keep breathing, keeping that energy up. Just another few more. And then release your hands back to the floor and walk yourself out for your last round of those knee lifts. So alternating sides, bringing the knee nice and close to the upper chest. Keep pressing your mat away, keep breathing. Good, and then eventually walk yourself all the way back. Lift the fingertips up to the sky. This is our last round of those heel lifts, coming right up onto the tippy toes. Good, working those calf muscles and the backs of your legs. And then go ahead and release all the way back to the floor. Walk your hands under the shoulders, finding your plank and just holding this plank for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then lower slowly all the way to your belly. And then as you inhale, press into the hands and lift the chest and the shoulders. Cobra rolls here. Every inhale to roll the shoulders back and lift the chest. Every exhale to lower the chest back to your mats. Connecting to your breath here, staying open through the chest. Good, find your last roll here, inhaling up, exhale as we lower. Good, and then go ahead and roll the shoulders back and maybe lift your fingertips up, reaching forwards. Inner arms right by the ears, engage your back. Good, take the hands behind you, reach the fingertips back, and as you inhale, lift the chest off the mat, exhale to lower. Inhale, engage the back as you lift, exhale to lower. Keep moving in time with your own breath, really getting that height through the chest. And you can continue with this movement if that's enough, or you can lift the feet off the floor. Again, inhale as you lift the chest, exhale as you lower. Keep breathing here, moving in your own time. Let's go for 2 more. Last one. And then lower everything back to the floor, bring your hands to the mat and send your bum back to the hips for a child's pose. Take a deep breath in and a full breath out. Good, release from your child's pose and we'll meet in our tabletop. Good, from here, we're going to find some donkey kicks with the right leg. So lifting that knee up to the sky and then lowering back to center. We're going to keep this 90-degree bend through the knee, and every time we lift, trying to bring that right thigh parallel with your mat. Lifting that knee as high as we can. Great, we take our last one here. And then come back through center. This time we're going to open that right knee out to the side. We can stay on both hands or we can drop to the left elbow if that feels better. But really lifting that knee out to the side, the inner thigh coming parallel with the floor. Nice, keep breathing deeply here as we move and lift that knee. Take your last one right here. And then come back through center, extend the right leg and we'll find some straight leg kicks. Taking that leg all the way up to the sky, pointing the toes away and really finding power through that leg. So kicking it up high. Keep breathing here. And then let's stop and hold this one. Find a few little pulses here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then drop that knee back through center, sit your bum back and find a child's pose. Take a full deep breath here all the way in, a nice full releasing exhale, and then whenever you're ready, go ahead and release back into your tabletop. We'll take that same set of exercises on the other side. So finding those donkey kicks with the left leg. Keeping that 90-degree bend through the knee. Every time we lift that leg up, we're engaging through the glute muscles to see if we can lift a little bit higher. Trying to bring that thigh parallel with the floor each time. Let's go for 3 more here. And 2. Last one, and then come back through center and we'll start to open that left knee out to the side. So open that left knee out to the left hand side of the room, and again every time we lift, we're trying to lift that knee as high as possible. We can drop down to the elbow here if this feels better, bringing that inner thigh parallel with the floor. Lifting it high. Last few here. And then eventually come back to center onto the hands and finding those straight leg kicks. Kicking that leg with power all the way up to the sky. The toes are pointed. There's tension through that left leg. holding this one and finding 10 little pulses here, pulsing that leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then come back through center, sit the bum back and find your child's pose. Toes are together, the knees are wide. If it feels good, we can walk the hands off to one side for that extra deep stretch. And then back through center, walk the hands across the other side. Slowing down your breath here, slowing down the body. And then returning back to center and walking yourself back up and into seated. Take a big stretch, reach the hands up and exhale your hands to your heart. And namaste everyone. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.